Alright, it is haul out day. We got most everything cleaned up here. Getting ready to go. We're going 4 miles down the way to the VJ Marine Services. Haul the boat out. Here we go. We're gonna see. We're leaving about 10 minutes. Slow boat to China. Currently doing 1.5 as we exit the Antioch City Marina. Ta-da! In 9 feet of water. So this is the old duck club on Winter Island, and I thought it burned. Oh, there's a fire back there. Doesn't look as nearly as big as I thought. We are out and about. This is Pittsburgh industrial zone here, and all sorts of stuff going on. So there's a big clump of trees here on Browns Island, and as you can see, this is a rookery for egrets. And the delta is renowned for its birds. Oh boy, this is fun. It's like glass today. Absolutely beautiful day. Almost ready. Alright, well, we're here at the VJ Marina. We got hauled out yesterday, and it was very noisy yesterday, so weren't able to say much. But the hull is in great condition. There are no blisters. I can't find any. Yeah, and the rudder is nice and pretty tight. And the prop was getting changed out. Yeah, we got all the barnacles scraped off of here. We're gonna have this resurfaced because it's in such good condition. Means I don't have to do anything, which is awesome. You know, going to Mexico to cut apart stuff or, you know, do any blister fixing and all of that. It's all good. Alright, well, we should come out of here with a clean survey. And yeah, should be a great start to this whole endeavor. Yep.